How to download and install Google Chat. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Google Chat app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Google Chat and search for it. Select the first search result for Google Chat. Tap on the install button. The Google Chat app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. So please be patient. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch Google Chat. After that, grant all the necessary permissions. Then log into your existing account or sign up for a new one, and finally you will be all set to start using Google Chat. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and installed Google Chat on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.